How to update Wi-Fi drivers on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Today we will see two such ways by which you can update your drivers of the Wi-Fi. So for the first one, open your settings. Once the settings is open, from the right side click on Windows Update. Once you have tapped on Windows Update, you can see different options. Click on Advanced Options. Once you tap on it, you can go to Optional Updates. Here you can see all the updates that is available for the driver as well. If there is any update available, make sure to click on download and install. This is one way to do so. For the next one, click on the search bar and open Device Manager. Once you have opened the Device Manager, here you can see the option of Wi-Fi. You'll find that under Network Adapter. You can search for the driver of your Wi-Fi, right-click on it and click on Update Driver. There are two such ways to update the driver. The first one is automatically update for the driver, and the second one is browsing the computer for drivers. You can click on any of the option as per your wish. So these were the two ways by which you can update the Wi-Fi drivers on your computer. So this is it for today. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.